So, Assalamu alaikum. As you know, I'm exploring Kerala with we are done with some of the trainings, and today we are on nature's exploration. And we, as you can see, there's lots of natural beauty in Kerala, and some quick creative ideas were popping up in my mind when I was walking around. As I can say, not walking but trekking, and we reached waterfalls as well, mashallah. So the thing is, we can bring this to in our classrooms. We have been talking about students should think beyond the classroom and explore nature. There are naturalistic learners in your classroom. So why don't you bring some ideas, like, for example, if children are skillful in documenting their adventure, that selected school members, actually selected high school students, can be given a project of nature exploration to such areas, and then they can document it in the way of recording, or they can make a travelogue or start a podcast, something like that, wherein the language skills can come out, not only in English, even in Malayalam. So we are insisting on inculcating poetic skills, writing abilities and all. So that is one thing. When it comes to science and social studies, they can be aware of the different herbs, that are found here, different types of trees that are found here. I noticed that there are some bags hanging on the trees. So what is the reason behind? So such things, they can make a herbarium, and connecting it to our Islamic way of thinking is like you can get to know about some scholars who worked, and it can be like Tibbe Nabawi, some Jadi Booty that comes out of research, like we have Ibn Sina, we can research, like, and Unani medicine, and all these things can fall into science category. Similarly, social studies. So integration of subjects into this naturalistic learning can be a great lesson for the teachers. Give at least one project of that sort, though not all the projects, one project for high school. Right now you can think about these ideas. I'll be coming up with more ideas, inshallah. Jazakallah khair.